Now this is a bad coil back here, and if you hook the typical spark plug tester up to it, it will show that it fires every time. And as you can see, the spark is firing, but there's all this noise in here, and I think they call it ringing. And every time the coil pack puts out that junk, my engine stumbles. So every time it stumbles. So that's why this problem is very, very hard to track down. You have to have specialized equipment, expensive specialized equipment, and you have to know what you're doing. You have to have the technical knowledge. So there's your bad coil pack right there. And after 2 years of trying to figure it out, I finally figured it out.